This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 27th of June. I'm Michael Groff. Temperatures to fall back closer to normal for the rest of this week and this weekend. But what about the monsoon moisture? Chances of rain? Are we going to see any of that in the future? Let's talk about it as we look outside this morning here at the absolutely insane hour of 4:15 a.m. Clear skies in the valley right now. Temperature fluctuating a bit, but now we're bumped back up to 97 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 33, humidity 10%. The winds are light, the barometer is steady. Temperatures out there this morning across the area. Well, we've got mid-90s on the board in a lot of places, low 90s in a few spots. 92 was the observation at 4 a.m., but we've since gone back up to 97, so we're all over the board. Clear skies here in south central Arizona, a few high clouds in the eastern part of the state and across northwest Mexico. Most of the elevated dew points and higher humidity is out of here for the moment. Here's the watch warning map. We've got extreme fire danger across much of the west here in Southern California, Arizona, Utah, Colorado. Elsewhere across the country, very quiet right now. Later today on the convective outlook, there's a slight risk of severe storms, northern Kansas through Nebraska and South Dakota. The marginal risk extends from Montana through the high plains. And another marginal risk zone in parts of the northeast today. As far as our weather, let's get into the specifics as we check out the models and see what's happening. This is the GFS. It's the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. And high pressure suppressed to the south as troughing continues to dig across the northern Rockies. So generally zonal flow, westerly winds aloft, drier air comes in. And you see a few thunderstorms this afternoon across northwest Mexico, but I think here in the state today, mostly dry conditions. Sunny skies here in the valley. Highs, we'll call it 107 to 110. I think we stay below the 110 threshold, though, quite honestly. But the hottest deserts of southwest Arizona, southeast California could certainly see that. Tonight, clear, warm, lows low 80s to near 90. Tomorrow, sunny, a slight bit of cooling as troughing continues in the northern Rockies and into the northern plain states. Highs 104 to 107, pretty typical for this time of year. Same for Thursday and Friday and Saturday. We continue to see a few showers and storms in northwest Mexico, but the moisture will stay out of the state for now. Sunday looks like high pressure slowly building back in. High temperatures 106 to 110. The sky remaining sunny. Same for Monday. Again, there's a little evidence of some moisture trying to creep into the far eastern part of the state, but we're going to stay dry in the valley with sunny skies and those high temperatures still right about average for late June and early July, somewhere in the 106 to 110 range. Certainly nothing compared to the 115 to 120 that we had last week. Here's a week from today. This is Tuesday, Independence Day, July the 4th. High pressure more or less across much of the southern tier of the United States. Does not look like any significant moisture making its way into the state at this time, but we'll keep an eye on it. It's a long ways out still. Here's Wednesday, the 5th of July, and high pressure still in control. Temperatures more or less near normal, maybe a couple of degrees above, maybe in the 108 to 111 range. Maybe some excessive heat comes back, but I don't see a major heat wave coming in here anytime soon. And then this is the end of the forecast period, Thursday, the 6th of July. Starting to look like high pressure getting centered more into the Four Corners region or perhaps across Colorado or New Mexico. And if that does indeed happen, we'd start to see a southeasterly flow and maybe starting to open the door for some showers and thunderstorms, some moisture coming into the southwest. But that's 10 days out, so we have a lot of time to consider that. But maybe that'll be about the average time that we start to see the chances of storms that first week of July. You know how that works around here. And looking at the temperatures through the period off the European ensemble, no big surprises here. Highs every day, somewhere in the 106 to 110 range. Lows at night, the European doesn't do a very good job with this, but probably in the 80 to 90 range. You get the idea. No big surprises, no major heat waves coming our way anytime soon. Of course, that can change, especially beyond 10 days. And the monsoon is somewhere lurking on the horizon. And that'll do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like us, be sure to subscribe. That way, every time we post a brand new video, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe out there and have a great Tuesday.